Hey guys, my name is David Sines. What's up?
Hey guys, my name is Valerie.
And we're part of Miss Friday's 2019 Anatomy and Physiology 2B class. Today we'll be talking about the circulatory system and how it works. We'll also be talking about the blood flow in the heart, the blood types, the blood cells, and the diseases associated with the circulatory system.
The three primary functions of the circulatory system, also known as the cardiovascular system, are to regulate body temperature, protect from outside sources that cause diseases, and transport blood flow to the whole body. Now, as far as the location,
the heart is located in the thoracic cavity between the lungs and above the diaphragm. When many people believe it's located in the left side of the body, when it's actually located right in the middle, right here. Many also believe that blood is actually blue inside the body and becomes red whenever it hits the oxygen of the outside world, when indeed it is just red the whole time. The whole time it's red. The color of your blood is just a darker red inside your body because of the skin and everything covering it, but it's red, it's not blue. And then some organs involved with the circulatory system are the heart, blood cells such as the thrombocytes, leukocytes, and erythrocytes, which are the platelets, white blood cells, and red blood cells, arteries, which carry blood away from the heart, veins, which carry blood towards the heart, and then the heart and blood.
Located in the blood are three blood cells called leukocytes, erythrocytes, and thrombocytes. The leukocytes, also known as white blood cells, help fight off infections and diseases that may cause harm to the body. The white blood cells are very important to the immune system. Think of them as your bodyguard of the immune system, as they protect from anything that tries to get in the blood. Those cells live for about a year, the least numerous than the other two blood cells, which is why they are very important to the body. Erythrocytes, also known as red blood cells, carry oxygen through the whole body, also remove carbon dioxide from the body and send it to the lungs so they can exhale it. Lastly, thrombocytes, also known as platelets, clot the blood whenever you have a cut or injury or prevent bleeding.
And now we're going to talk about the blood flow of the heart and into the lungs. So first, the blood enters the right atrium via the supravena cava, the inferior vena cava, and the coronary sinus. It goes into the right atrium, then into the tricuspid valve, into the right ventricle, to the pulmonary semilunar valve, which is when it goes into the lungs, and then the pulmonary arteries. Once it's in the lungs, it goes to the pulmonary veins, and back into the heart in the left atrium, the bicuspid valve, the left ventricle, and then into the aortic seminal valve, and lastly the aorta. And the blood in the aorta is routed to the coronary arteries and the body. With the heart, the right side is deoxygenated, and then the left side is oxygenated. With pictures, doctors put the deoxygenated side as blue, even though, again, blood's not blue, to make the difference between the oxygenated and the oxygenated side.
While we're still on the topic of blood, there are many different types of blood. There are 8 different types of blood, this including positive and negative. There is A positive, A negative, B positive, B negative, O negative, O positive, and AB negative and AB positive. Blood type AB is a universal recipient and can receive blood from any blood type. Blood type O, however, is the universal donor and can give it to anyone. Positive blood types can give to other positives but can receive from positives and negatives, while negatives can give to both positives and negatives while only receiving from negatives.
Some of the diseases associated with the circulatory system are high and low blood pressure, anemia, sickle cell disease, and cardiac arrest. Most of these diseases are caused by either having very bad diets, such as eating a lot of fast food and stuff like that, having very low activity and not exercising enough, and genetics, which are things that run in the family. If not treated, these diseases can lead to worse health problems, such as heart attacks, strokes, and many more problems.
So today we discussed all the components of the circulatory system. These parts included the blood cells, functions of the blood in the heart, blood types, and diseases associated with the circulatory system.
Again, my name is David.
My name is Valerie.
My name is Mateo.
And thank you for watching our video. Yes, bro, we got it, yes.
Two, one, action.
And we're part of Miss Friday's 2019's. Okay, let's get it again. I'm ready. I know, I got it.
Good boy.
That was right.
He's gonna laugh.
Alright.
Is it recording?
3, 2, 1, action.
Again, my name is David.
My name is Valerie.
My name is Mateo.
And thank you for watching our video.
We did it at the same time.
Yay!
Alright.
Alright.
1. Action.
When we redo it again, just the lesson.
Yeah.
Like
3,
when we do it.
2, 1. Action.
Now we're gonna talk about some of the diseases included, associated with the. Now we're gonna talk about.
Diseases associated with the circulatory system. Oh, I
You
said
can say
that
it again.
one. Yeah, I need to say it again.
Yeah, just say it again.
Did I?
So today we discussed all the components of the. So today we discussed all the components of the circulatory system. These parts included the blood cells, functions of the blood in the heart, blood types, and diseases associated with the circulatory system.
Say the last part again. Associated.
And diseases associated. Okay. And diseases
English class.
associated. And diseases associated.
Come on.
Okay.
Okay.
And diseases associated with the circulatory system.